Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto after account limits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto after reaching account limits, start by logging into your cryptocurrency exchange account. Navigate to the account settings or wallet section of the platform. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account limits. Take note of the specific limits imposed by the exchange. If your limit is reached, consider alternative methods to transfer your crypto. One option is to withdraw your funds to a different wallet that doesn't have these limits. Look for an option to create or manage external wallets. Add a new wallet address where you want to transfer your crypto. Make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Once the wallet is added, go to the withdrawal or transfer section of the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Review the transaction details, including fees and limits. Confirm the transaction after verifying the information is correct. Check your email for a confirmation link if required by the exchange. Follow any additional security measures such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take varying amounts of time based on network congestion. Monitor the receiving wallet to ensure the funds arrive successfully. If you encounter issues, consult the exchange's customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.